Hey, what's up you guys? I hope you're doing okay. Today I'm going to show you how to make Taco Bell's nachos, but better. First thing we're going to start off with is a couple of beans. Yeah, about 2 cups of black beans. Into that we are going to add a package of taco seasoning. We're going to mix that all together until it's all incorporated. Then we are going to get a nice big pan and we're going to line it with parchment paper. When your parchment paper is all lined on the bottom, we are going to take half a bag of tortilla chips and line the bottom with it. Then we are going to, sprinkle, drizzle, place half of our beans on there. Make sure it's all as even as you can get it. And when that's all done, we are going to place some jalapenos. These are just canned jalapenos. I feel like they're tamer than regular jalapenos. I'm pretty sure they are. So it's not like completely attacking you. On top of the jalapenos, we are going to add some sharp cheddar cheese. I had some shredded leftover, and then I also had a block that I shredded. Then we are going to place some nacho cheese sauce on top, and then we're going to do it all over again. So that's chips, beans, jalapenos, and then cheese again, and then we're going to do the nacho cheese again. And that's it. It's literally that easy. It's delicious, and now we're going to place our nacho pan into an oven that has been preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. And this is what it looks like. Come on, dude. 4 minutes? Yeah, only 4 minutes, dude. So now to make it look prettier, I'm going to put some freshly chopped tomatoes on top. And along with that, we're going to sprinkle some fresh cilantro. Yes. And then this is what it looks like. Pretty? Yeah. Personally, I think it looks better than the Taco Bell version. And also, I'm pretty sure you get like double the amount. And it's cheaper. And again, it's better for you. So, come on. Come on, dude. So, yeah. That's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!